All right, this is a flowering cherry, residential neighborhood of course, and it's well established. It's about a 6-inch diameter tree, and here is the branch bark ridge where we need to pull our prune up short. And if any mistakes are made in pruning, it's not identifying this branch bark ridge properly. Now what I'm going to do is I'll get him to back off just a little bit, and I'm going to cut this limb because there's a lot of rubbing with other limbs and it's in the way, and I'm going to cut it right here first. Okay, and then I'm going to, since here's the branch bark ridge right here, I'm going to cut about an inch ahead of that. No weight on the end. It gives me a chance to balance this properly. And that is a proper pruning cut. Now let me demonstrate it one more time on another smaller branch. Got the branch bark ridge right here. It's rubbing. It's also in the way of some other limbs growing. What I'm going to do is cut it right out here first. Okay. And then I'm going to cut it again within a couple of inches right there. This is about 1/8 of an inch. And that is a proper pruning cut that'll close itself up. There's the branch bark ridge. You can see it humped up right there, and we've cleared that.